With the renovation of the horse barn that we've been doing the last 2 years, the location of the Horseman's Hall of Fame was getting taken for restrooms. So we came up with a new location, a new idea for it that would actually catch the eye of a lot more people throughout the year. So we have this large panel that represents horses that are part of the Horseman's Hall of Fame, the saddlebred and the mules and the draft horses, and then all of the names of the people that have been inducted since the 1960s.
My grandfather started the Horseman's Hall of Fame in 1958, and so it's sort of a legacy to be part of it. My grandfather was involved in it, my father, my uncle is inducted into it, and then also I'm inducted. So it's a long legacy process that you feel like you're keeping the legacy going, that you are contributing to the horse world.
The horse shows draw so much attention during the fair, especially the large hitches that come in. And then since it had been here for so long, it was hard to say, hey, we're changing this and you can't be here anymore. It was very much a living, breathing part of this horse barn.
Yeah, I think it's just the recognition again of the contributions that all the individuals have made. And also just showing the name. You know, when they first put that up last year, I was here during the state fair, during the society show, and several people were going up and reading the board and saying, oh, I remember this person, I remember that person, because these are people from all over the state of Iowa, and either from Creston or Burlington, and so I think people recognize, oh yeah, I remember this person was in the horse world. I remember this person. Oh yes, I had this person shoeing my horses. And so it's a great recognition for individuals that still participate and promote the horse world in the state of Iowa.
One of the neat things about this too, as a change, is it used to be that everything was just written on paper and in a binder. Well, now we have a QR code that you can scan, and it takes you to the fair's website where you can pull up and you can see a photo, if we have one, and then a biography of the inductees. So you can learn more about what their passion for Iowa's horse industry is. Sometimes you lose, especially with our somewhat more urban society and people that come to the fair, they don't have that connection back to the livestock and even the horses. There's a lot of hobby horses, but this brings it more to the forefront. And even as I was doing the research for this, just how large the horse industry is in the state of Iowa, and how many people really have a passion. I would say horses quite often are like dogs and cats. They are part of your family because they do have personality, and this is a great way to showcase that.